This video focuses on CAU, or Centralized Agent Upgrade. It's a simple but powerful tool that enables the partially automated upgrade of many of the agents in the Automic Automation instance. Prior to CAU, agents were updated manually with the use of system capabilities. Executables were downloaded and copied, INIs configured, service managers were updated, and the entire process could be time-consuming and cumbersome, especially when working with command line interfaces. With CAU, the procedure is far more streamlined. It relies on the AWI plugin manager. While a handful of agent types are not supported, all the main ones in the OS and application spaces are. The system is really beneficial in no small part because it takes care of all the service managers associated with the agents. When you run the upgrade, an agent will be stopped and restarted in the service manager as well. On the functional side, agent upgrades are packs, which you can download from the Automic Marketplace page and upload in the system using AWI's plugin manager. What this means is that you don't need to log into each individual host. It's all handled from the web interface. While the procedure is really simple, we want to focus on the architectural aspects because they're important. This is how components are affected. We're starting with agents in the lower version, in our case 12.2, and we're upgrading to 12.3. Remember that a properly configured environment requires that each host where an agent lives needs two additional things. First, a dedicated service manager is needed so that the agents can be started and stopped centrally. Typically, you'll have a central service manager on a Windows host to handle service processes like CP, WP, and the Java-based processes. This service manager is able to communicate with all the other managers across the instance so that any process residing on a remote host can be controlled as well. This is the reason Automic recommends installing an SM on every agent host. While it's not required, without this you'll need to physically log into the system and control the agents. It also ensures successful and painless execution for CAU. The other component needed is CAPKI so that communications across service managers, agents, and service components are encrypted. The rest of the process is really straightforward. You download the CAU packs from Automic Marketplace. Then you upload them over Plugin Manager via AWI. At the time of making this video, Plugin Manager is a de facto component, and it's naturally included in the one installer. Installing it is out of scope, but we recommend looking for other media that covers this topic. Finally, you execute the upgrade, which takes care of everything, including the configuration updates required by the service manager. Let's look at each host, the agent, and service manager. Then we'll show how to download from Marketplace. In our instance, we have three agents. The first is Win01 and is up to date at version 12.3. This is the agent that gets commonly installed with the one installer alongside the server, which we're looking at now. Let's connect to the other two. We have a host called 10Win52 with a Windows agent. It's version 12.2. We have a Linux host called Cent50. The agent is also 12.2. Let's look at AWI. All of this is reflected in AWI. This is the 12.3 agent, and these two are 12.2. We're going to use the upgrade to move them to 12.3. Let's briefly take a look at Marketplace. The best way to reach Marketplace is to perform a search. Marketplace offers a ton of packs and plugins, and we definitely recommend exploring these on your own time. On the first page, you notice the Windows and Unix agent packs. You simply download both and store them anywhere you want, as long as you can access them with AWI. The next step involves adding the two agent upgrade packs to Plugin Manager. Plugin Manager is found in the administration perspective. We're currently using Client 0 to upload the packs, but the upgrade itself can be performed in any other client as long as the user has the privilege Execute System Upgrade. We head to Packs to upload our packs. We run through this twice to install our two packs. Irrespective of the number of agents, these single packs will cover all of them. Obviously, if you have another platform or an application agent like SQL Server, you would just add it here. The last step entails executing the upgrade and checking the service managers for the results. We select our two 12.2 agents and right-click to the Agent Upgrade function. This tool is particularly well suited for agent up and downgrades. In our case, we can upgrade to the latest release because that's all we have. If you had packs for other versions, you could change the version of your agents to anything you wanted by simply selecting the right pack in the dropdown. The custom text adds a string of characters to the upgrade reports. The upgrade executes immediately and tells you what it did. Messages tell you what the system did. We can see that the agents were upgraded to the right versions. For longer lists of agents, you can also see the upgrade history. Let's take a look at the service managers. Both service managers are listing the right agents, which were stopped and then started automatically.